Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Jo, and today we're going to look at the phonics sounds. Don't worry if you've forgotten some, because this is what the video is for, to help you remember. Let's start. When I do this, I want you to repeat the sound at home. Ready? Ah. S. D. Ts. I. G. O. Remember, these two k sounds make the same sound, but this one is the caterpillar k, and this one is the kangaroo k. Also, when those two sounds go together in a word, they also make a k sound. Let's keep going. B. L. Sh. We've just found our first special friend. A special friend is when two sounds are together to make one. Let's keep going. J. Just like my name, Joe. Joe. Can you say my name? Y. W. Z. Ch. Qu. Qu. X. Ng. Nk. Well, there you have it. That's all the set one sounds. Maybe you can make your own flashcards at home and play games with your brothers and sisters, teach mum and dad the sounds, teach your cat, teach your dog, have lots of fun and keep practicing. Thanks.